What if your home started feeling a little too futuristic? Instead of the usual clutter of gadgets, your house could soon be filled with robots handling everything from your laundry to your dinner plans. Let's take a wild ride through this potential future with the help of CGI robots. Imagine robots taking over the everyday tasks that we've always dreaded. What if you come home after a long day only to be greeted by your robot making you a hot dinner, exactly the way you like it? But it doesn't stop at cooking. The robot could easily handle washing the dishes, making sure every plate and cup is spotless while you relax on the couch. No more arguing about whose turn it is to do the dishes. Your robot takes care of it every time. Need groceries? No problem. Your robot could even head out to the store, picking up exactly what you need. Cleaning your room would become a thing of the past. With a robot in charge, space would always be neat and organized. It could arrange your furniture and vacuum every corner. Everything would always be in its place and you wouldn't lift a finger. But what if your robot becomes more than just a helper? Picture it arranging your furniture for the perfect movie night, or even giving you a wake-up call with a freshly brewed coffee in hand. Would you form a bond with your robot? Could it evolve into something more than a mere appliance? Of course, with all this convenience, there would be a few things to consider. Privacy would be at the top of the list. As these robots get smarter, they'll know your habits, your schedule, and maybe even your secrets. At the same time, these robots could bring a whole new level of comfort and security to your life. For busy families or people with physical disabilities, they could become life-saving assistants, providing not only convenience but also support. So, would you be ready for a robot to move in? Or would you prefer to keep your home all to yourself?